Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best full body case for your Apple Watch. The Goton 2-in-1 waterproof case designed specifically for the Apple Watch Series 9, 8, and 7 in the 45mm size. If you're looking to fully protect your watch without sacrificing style or functionality, this case is definitely worth your attention. Now, what sets this case apart from the rest is its comprehensive 360-degree protection. It's not just a simple cover. It combines a premium matte polycarbonate hard bumper frame with a 9H tempered glass screen protector. This means your watch is shielded not only on the sides but also on the front and back, guarding against scratches, cracks, and bumps. Whether you're working out in the rain, or just going about your day, this case has got your Apple Watch fully covered. One of the standout features is its waterproof capability. While most cases offer some level of water resistance, the Goton case is designed for daily waterproof protection. It keeps moisture away from your watch screen and maintains touch sensitivity, which is crucial for both indoor and outdoor activities. You can confidently wear your watch in humid conditions or while washing your hands without worrying about damage. Installation is a breeze with this case. You don't need to remove it when charging, thanks to its precise cutouts that allow full access to all buttons, sensors, and controls. This user-friendly design means you won't have to deal with constant removal or hassle when powering up your watch. Additionally, the case comes with a cleaning kit, so you can keep your Apple Watch looking pristine. The hard PC bumper is lightweight yet durable, offering a snug fit that complements the sleek design of your watch without adding bulk. Compatibility-wise, the Goton case supports a wide range of Apple Watch models, including Series 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, SE, and the SE second generation. Just be sure to verify your watch size. This particular model is for the 45mm Apple Watch, but other sizes are available from the brand. Overall, the Goton 2-in-1 waterproof case offers an excellent balance of style, protection, and convenience. If you want to keep your Apple Watch safe from everyday wear and tear while maintaining full functionality, this is one of the best options out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more detailed product insights. Until next time, keep your tech protected and stay curious.